Hey there, what's up everyone? Today we're making chicken chow mein. This dish doesn't need much explanation, so let's get started. There are many variations of chicken chow mein, so today I'll show you my variation. I have some chicken breasts. Slice it into thin pieces. You want it about this size and about this thick. When you get to the middle, trim off a few pieces here, so it keeps the chicken in shape. Again. Now we're going to marinate the chicken. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, some white pepper, about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and give it a mix. So oyster sauce and soy sauce provides a nice savory flavor for the chicken, so you don't need to put any salt or sugar in this. Now we add some potato starch. Give it half a tablespoon. So the chicken is nice and velveted now. 1 tablespoon of oil. This will lock in all the flavors and make the chicken easier to separate when cooking. Alright, now we just set this aside. I'm going to prep some vegetables. Some bean sprouts, onion, cut into strips. Spring onions, halve it first. And then cut into 2 centimeter chunks, like so. Carrot, we only need about half. Slice, face it down, slice it into thin pieces. And slice it into thin strips. And there are your vegetables, guys. Some noodles. I recommend egg noodles. Open it up and just loosen it a bit. This noodles provide a nice texture for your chow mein. So now we have all our ingredients. We are ready to start cooking. Wok on. Oil. Heat up your oil. Get your oil nice and hot. Chicken in. Let it set for a few seconds. Push. The wok. Look how they're separating. Chicken breast cooks very quickly. Now we strain it. Nice pieces of chicken breast. Quick wash. Heat up your wok again, get it nice and hot. Oil, vegetables, fry for about 20 seconds. Chow mein in, bit more oil, now we fry. Maximum heat, you're heating up the noodles right now. Get it nice and soft. See how there's smoke coming out? That's the wok hay, that's what you want. Now it's nice and hot. We have some dark soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon. There we go, fry it. Woo! Yeah. Now we season. Bit of MSG, bit of chicken powder, bit of sugar, bit of sesame oil. Now we fry again. Chicken, back in. Yeah. Light soy sauce around the side. And now we serve. Ooh. This is how you make the best chicken chow mein ever. Look at that. So much flavor, full of protein, and my guilty pleasure. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'll catch you next time. Bye!